And being a caregiver is rewarding, but it also takes a lot of sacrifice, time, and effort. And a lot of times, local families have a hard time paying bills and making ends meet because they're busy taking care of our kupuna. But the Kupuna Caregivers Program is here to help ease that burden. Joining us this morning is Pedro Harrell, the Hawaii Advocacy Director for Caring Across Generations. Pedro, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Ross. Thank you.
Now, the Kupuna Caregivers Program, what is that and why is it so important?
Well, the Kupuna Caregivers Program was set up by the state legislature in 2017 and signed by the governor. It provides up to $70 a day to working caregivers who are working 30 hours outside the home and are also taking care of somebody at home who's elderly, a family member, a mom, a dad, an uncle, an auntie, a grandparent. And what it does is it provides the $70 in services such as adult day centers, in-home care, transportation needs to appointments, or things like that.
And who is eligible?
So right now, who are eligible is that you have to be a caregiver of an elderly at home who's 60 years or older, needs 2 activities of daily living like showering or not being able to drive, not being able to cook for themselves, and that the caregiver works 30 hours outside the home.
Okay, and I understand that there's a crucial hearing today. Why is this so important?
It's very important. It's on the House side. The House has really taken the lead on making sure that all the programs are effective and that are, they balance the budget. We have a balanced budget in Hawaii, and there's a lot of things that are competing. So it's the Committee on Health and Human Services, and they're looking to see whether the program should be continued. They're looking for people to testify about the need for the program and really taking a look at the families that this could help.
Now, for a lot of people watching at home, how can they get involved or learn more about the Kupuna's Caregivers Program?
Sure, and I believe you'll have a screen that has the number. They need to call their their county's Aging and Disability Resource Center. It's one number statewide, and it's right there on your screen. If you want to get more involved in the issue to making sure that the program continues for your family, for other people's families, they can go to Care for Kupuna. That's care, the number 4, and kupuna.com, and they can sign up for our mailing list, and they can know about future hearings that are coming up.
Now, for more information on the Kupuna Caregivers Program, just log on to our website as well at KH12.com, and we'll definitely keep you updated on this program. Pedro, thank you so much for stopping by this morning.